How do you make Gozalo by Ariis? Hey y'all, it's Sal. Welcome back because today we're remaking this hit and learning exactly how Ariis built it from absolute scratch. If you want to grab the FLP project file for this remake, the link is right down there in the description. And don't forget, it comes bundled with a massive 16GB collection featuring over 20,000 samples to level up your library. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm dropping tutorials and free FLPs every single day, so you don't want to miss what's next. With that said, let's dive into the sauce. Step 1. The main sample. We're using the Kala Bokeh sample from 2K to layer those high and low frequencies. If you need this specific sample, the link is below. Step 2. The drop. For the drop section, we're sticking with the same sample, but switching up the pattern to create that heavy impact. Step 3. The sub bass. Next, we're firing up Serum to write a simple but absolutely crucial sub bass. This preset is also included in the link below. Step 4. The brass. Time for some energy. We're using Xenology to craft that signature trumpet sound. Step 5. The vocals. Let's drop in the Gozalo vocals. Yep, I'm definitely getting copyrighted for this one. Lol.
Báilalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo. Báilalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo.
Step 6. The drums. To wrap it all up, we just add a heavy kick and we are officially done. Yeah, it really is that simple. If you want to see all the mixing and mastering secrets I used from scratch, go ahead and download the FLP and the huge sample pack at the link below. Want to link up with over 1,000 other producers? Come hang out in the Discord. It's the spot for free FLPs, drum kits, collabs, and even direct contacts for famous producers. Just a heads up, if you misbehave, you're headed straight to the Hall of Shame. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It truly means the world to me and helps the channel grow. Now, let's hear the final results.
Báilalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo. Báilalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo. Báilalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo. Báilalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo.
Bala